Hey YouTube family, good evening, good evening. It's in the afternoon, it's Tuesday afternoon. Gonna hear Dad over the Sayan again. Him a do palico sipping. Say good evening, no Dad.
Good evening.
Yeah, him over the Sayan and him in the kitchen. So it's Tuesday afternoon, as I said before. Pretty late dinner we are up to this evening, but I'm inviting you to stay with me as me cook dinner and probably we chat a little bit. Dinner will be curry chicken. Dad chop up the and wash the chicken already, so we'll get it seasoned up. I have to show you that. I don't know we season with thing already, do nothing. Season up my chicken and all of that. I'm gonna be finished. I have my stove over this, so clean up. So I'm just gonna finish clean it off and we are gonna get the ball rolling. And if you have not yet, if you're new right on over here, I wanna thank you, welcome you to the Jamaican Cooking Journey family. And if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to our other three channels, which is the mother channel, which is West Indian Delights, otherwise known as the Jamaican Cooking Journey, the Jamaican Mukbang, of course, which is very vibrant, and the Jamaican Debbie Deb Strain. I'm asking you, please go right now, subscribe to my other three channels and join the Jamaican family. Thank you, please, and thank you. Okay, so that's it. And when you go there, you click the press subscribe, click the notification bell, click option all to see all our uploads, all our content. 4 different channels, 4 different content, all same Jamaican family. Okay, so we have got some videos there putting together for the Jamaican Debbie Deb Strain. We are on the process of doing a lot of St. Mary vlogs. It's gonna be a lot mixed with some town vlogs and all of that. It is the Jamaican Debbie Deb Strain. We're gonna be rolling different over there. I promised you more than a year now, but me still I deliver. I deliver, but it's rather late. But it's better to be late than never. You're gonna be enjoying yourself over there, I promise you. So look here, you know I always come to make everybody feel happy, positivity, good vibes, love, family, everything. That's what I'm all about. So I'm gonna go clean up that stove. The chicken has been washed and chopped. Season it up, and when you see me back again, pot's supposed to have bubble. It is Tuesday evening dinner once more. Cornmeal dumpling, Jamaican cornmeal dumpling, waxy renta yam, banana, and curry chicken. I don't know that's supposed to help me cook, but we know we see it go. Catch you in the next clip. Alright family, we are back. Let me tell you, so we are run late. So me I try to catch it fast. So see me chicken here. Start curry. So this is a pot me just put in dumpling. I'm going to put yam. I put dumpling and banana in this. I'm going to put the yam in this. So a 3 pot me have a blast. Oh, pray for me that the gas not done. Because my gas low. I not even remember for order it today and late here now. Can't bother with it. Hopefully it's not done. So you can see the dinner start. Come on girl. Say good evening now.
Good evening guys.
So I try and fast fire because I'm hungry. I'm going on a bush mouth here. Nobody look for me coming and look at him, a young girl dress, short dress. Mother young girl. Look at me. So guys, Dada, what that you do?
Cooking the yam, man.
What kind of yam? When yam name?
Renta yam.
Renta? Yeah. What position? Whoops! Look at it, man. Which piece I use? This? The piece I use?
Yes.
Alright. Didn't I on?
Yeah.
Oh, so Dada go peel the yam now. I peel it straight down. That's so much rent you cook. Lord God, man. Will you hand down now and see rent yam? So that I peel it and I drop it in a garbage bucket. Then easy for spoil this. It take time. I can't use a sharp knife, Dad.
This one don't use.
You should cut it in a 2, man. Cut it in a 2. Put it here, so. Put it here, so. And bust it in a 2 crossway. Yeah. Yeah, man. Use this, peel it, man. You sure? The knife, they're going sharp knife, you know, I tell you, say, you know, to play with it, should I use the other little one, mine, you know.
Alright, the knife, man, you know, cut me. Alright, the knife, you know, cut me, man. Me hungry, you know, it's hungry, me.
Them boy, when them boy no wash yam, you know. No cut them too big, lad. We can't take the money yam them and then cut so big. It's hard. Alright, Paris, so Dada Yeah, renter. I hope you wax it like them the back country, you know.
Supposed
So
to.
yeah, cutty. A real man sitting this here in a par family. Man. What the hell when time mom and dad go cook together? Jesus, them big. Me think I too much yam that. Though that good and then you peel is a piece with it too.
Okay.
Just peel it and cook it, because it go turn red. Just peel it and cook it and done. Because it go turn red. Tell them then I water turn red. But I guess as them reach it hot water so.
Then color we are
Yeah.
come back to.
I can squeeze the sour orange pan it or so. That'll peel yam, that'll go through with the yam and all of that. So look over here so now. That in the pan a big cookie. Me tell that say throw out some campbell and sunflower, you know, you see how much campbell and flour. So we have to have left back food, we have to go fry over food a morning for breakfast. Fry over rent and fry over campbell dumpling. Yeah. And over here so see curry chicken, yeah. Yeah. In time I go on. But them are already up, you know. See them? Water hot. So look here. That I go finish peel yam. And me I go make the dumpling right here. So me don't know where that here about in and just 4 away. And sitting. So. But anyway, when you see me next, you know say what? Supposed to see rent and dumpling and banana bubble pata bubble. Yeah, Parry. You see almost no. A man thing, this is not. We get out too much flour, D.
Nothing wrong with that. Can put up, can freeze
Fry
some.
over, not freeze it. Put it, wash it and rinse it off for the water we cooking at. Me keep saying Parry, family. Too much channel me have, no? I long for talk to you Parry them because your country it's so nice. So, we can't make the big man dumpling them, you know. But curry dumpling them not carty. Curry make woman dumpling, but curry dumpling them.
Small.
So, yeah.
And they look big.
What that? No, sir. So, dumpling pot. Let me see what I go on here, so. Renter. Turn down the renter pot here. We have to turn it down low enough because we mash out, you know. You know? Renter in that. You see how much renter that put in there? I mean, the man, you know. Some of them look, but most of them, yeah. But then, I go and cook on the low. Hope then still waxy like. And see, curry chicken pot there. One stir. Yep. We have 3 pot of bubble. 3 pot we have a bubble. Jamaican style. Renta yam caramel dumpling and curry fall. Yeah. We have 3 pot of bubble. Right this up. Right this up. I don't know so I can't work in with the man them, you know, don't it? Like you don't go and let them more than me, you know. You are working with them. You go see me working. But that's how I wait for the Jamaican Debbie Debs video them drop. Yes, I'm working with them up at St. Mary with you. I'm working with them. I'm a country girl. One of the things say too much flour, but we are gonna fry them over a long time. I eat forever. Forever dumpling and forever renter, yeah. And some steam callaloo. Comment if you long. How long you not eat that now, family? Yup. So look here. Finish putting them dumpling here. Yup. Check back in with you know. You go me check back in with you know. Want some wash you know. Comment and tell me if you know when you wash. All the Jamaican know that. I don't know if Caribbean people them there so when you know when you wash. But if me drink the wash you know. Not even bathroom me I can't reach. Me drink lemonade, me sleep. Comment. That ever happened to you? Yeah man, we want some wash because we are sour orange, you know. Want some wash but me not no sugar. Ain't got any sugar. Not a brown sugar. Brown sugar done. Little bit family. Little bit. Pata bubble. So family. Food ready. Daddy, I show them?
Yeah, I'm showing them.
Dumpling and banana. And let me tell you something now. Let me all tell you something. This dumpling and banana, we didn't put any lime juice. We never put no banana skin or nothing. So remember I told you on the cooking journey, not every one of the bananas oxidize. These are some nice like banana. I'm going to tell you no more about it. When we go to country, I make Jack Curry tell you no again. When the banana them full in the cool and stay a certain way. You know, you all might don't understand unless you did that barn and grow a country. But whenever this is banana and dumpling, not them just cook and so them look clean. Yeah, not all the while them oxidize. Anywho, and me, mama and papa go eat now because Kimmy girl come from school, she tired, she gonna go sleep. Kimmy is not here right now and Jer is at work. So when Jer come in with the shot, when Kimmy girl work, then with the shot them food because them are gonna re-eat them chicken and something. So we just got a dish for mama and for papa. So can I tell you something? I don't want this thing here give me no trouble because let me tell you, YouTube family, I am hungry, Dad. You know you're right too, you know.
I'm hungry, man.
Yeah, man.
I am hungry. Very much.
Slotted spoon, I drain off the water. I don't want the water in my food. You have left back food in it, but we don't mind it. Two dumplings, I think you eat no more.
One me want.
Only one dumpling you want?
Alright, it will stay.
Waxy yam. I show them me yam. Yay. Boy, some of them have eat a country over there. Can't if it, I'm not going to see it. I'm not going to see it, family. Yam them waxy. Alright, I'll finish this out. When I done this out, I can show now Mama and Papa food. Mama and Papa. Dad, me, Dad said no want no more. So look here. I got show them. Show them, Dad? Yeah, real Jamaican food this year, you know. Yep. Alright. So watch me over here, so now I'm going to drink some of the pot water for the yam and the banana. The dumpling and the banana. Yeah, I'm going to look piece of scotch bunny pepper put nice. Your pot so pretty and nice. Call it pot water. So look here. My son back again. This is not a mukbang. I'm not tired for a mukbang. So my pot soup here. But let's go end the video, I don't know. But I bust my pepper. Piece of my pepper in there. I have to drink the pot soup with the pepper. When I will put bird pepper. But I not bird pepper. Scotchy no bad at all. You can't go on. Pot water. You know what I see? I try, but I don't want it throw away. With scotch bonnet, the pepper in it, I throw. This will bust the gas. Then you can look for me that I got happen too. No mukbang. One spoon of the yam. Yam soft. Waxy. And curry gravy. Thank you for staying with us. Me and Dad, as we did look at Tuesday evening dinner. Hope you have liked it. Hope your mouth never water. Hope you don't mark the baby. Real Jamaican food. No mukbang. If you did like it, remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to make sure you go and subscribe to all my other channels. You do know them. Jamaican Cooking Journey, Mother Channel. Jamaican Mukbang. The Jamaican Debbie Deb Strain. I told you, that channel is going in a different direction. You don't want to miss. Make sure you're subscribed. Click the notification bell. Press the option all. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. And comment and tell me. Tell me what you like about my dinner. Tell me about my Tuesday evening. I think you won't see this until about probably Wednesday evening or Thursday there about. But whenever, hope you enjoy. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. So, for now it's gonna be Ciao. Love you.